Hey guys, Lex over here, and I am sitting on my yacht and I'm overlooking Lake Boca. So let me show you that. So that's Lake Boca. This is Lake Boca Raton, and as you can see, we've got some pretty impressive yachts over here, and there's the world famous Pink Hotel. So just a nice regular day overlooking Lake Boca. I've got my boat docked over here for the weekend, hanging out. I'm actually waiting for my son to show up, and I just thought I'd shoot this quick video. I'm actually filling up the water tank on my boat right now, but I thought it'd be a great time to shoot this video. I was hoping for better weather, but I was thinking, looking at my lifestyle, somebody said to me, man, you just have the most amazing weekends, and how do you have so much fun on your weekends? And I said, you know what, I work hard Monday through Friday on my business, building my business, flipping houses, so that I can have fun like this on the weekend, so I can have a gorgeous boat and hang out in cool places like this. And what I want you to know is that you can be doing this too. Alright, so if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you watch my training webinar on flipping houses. Just go to lexlemonrad.com/webinar.